Well, my name is Sentanu. I live in Ubud, Bali, yeah. And this car is in Indonesia is very famous. They call it Safari, but this in English they call it the Thing, and the type is 182. And we do have a 181, but in the garage. And well, I do tour business with a classic Safari and also Kombi. Volkswagen. Well, the tours basically is we are doing an adventure and to see deep of Bali, not in the city. We are going to the villages, to the nature of Bali, and also we are telling our client or customer to go to see Bali in deeply. So we go to the forest, and mostly we are going to mountain and villages. Well, I start the business when I have no job at all, yeah, and I don't have any income. Then I love Volkswagen car, yeah. In 2009, I tried to go out with the car, and some of the tourists asking me if they want to rent it, how. Then I have the idea that why don't I do the renting a car. So renting a car, of course, a classic car you cannot rent without driver, because each car they have their own character of the car. Yeah. Yeah. The year of 75, there was a second election in Indonesia for the president. Then the government get the Volkswagen company to bring the car to Indonesia for the government officer. So in Bali, especially, it's no more than 100 unit, because during that time one who has the money, only the government. They buy in Mexico, because Mexico is mostly a car like this. They thinking that some of them they are directly come to from Germany. It is the one with the reduction system suspension. During that time, on that period, the road was bumpy. We don't have any good road like now. And this car or this kind of a vehicle is nice, used to go to the villages with the bumpy road and narrow road, and also with the using to the farmers. Yeah. And we don't have any mechanic, we don't have any spare part. That's why they just leave it, the government leave it on the street, they leave it in the garage, they leave it in in the forest. Then people are trying to look after to get as a collection, like a vintage car. And now those Safari using like me, because we are already independent. Then we make the tour like this. Today we are traveling to go to visit one of the best waterfall with the entrance is very nice with the what do you call it, rice fields and palm or coconut plantation there, where we can take photos. And after that, we are going to see the coffee plantation. They do have animal, we call it luwak. They produce best coffee in the world. That coffee luwak is very well known here in Bali. Not like a Beatles. You can do like this. Tangan pun kak. Terima kasih banyak. a lot of foreign people say the Balinese people are more very polite and very friendly. And you can see from the faces of them, whenever you meet them, even you don't know each other, they will say hello to you. And they will keep smiling. I don't know, maybe these Balinese people, they are expecting something, but in reality now, we are character of happy. We are Balinese place for holiday, and we always be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Then we are going up to the mountain, Black Lava. Black Lava, we do explore 30 minutes in Black Lava to see the rock and to see the view of the Black Lava from, we go cycle the Mount Batur and close to the Lake Batur. Because sometimes work, sometimes doesn't work. That's why I never change the driver with this car. Whoa! We visit one of the hot spring swimming pool, which is nice there. There's natural hot spring swimming pool. Well, in Bali, we do have a community of Volkswagen. There are two biggest one, which is Bali Volkswagen Division and Montogen. So, Bali Volkswagen Division, that was created by people who has a hobby of Volkswagen, and not only for making money, but they have a fun with the Volkswagen. Well, in Ubud, I do have our community called Ubud VW Tour. So Ubud VW Tour is mostly for tours to go to explore the island. We have same we love Volkswagen. We love the car, especially the classic one. Why you come to Ubud? Because in Ubud there are places where you can do healing, where you can get fresh your mind from the stress from your workplaces. You see, the name of Ubud came from the word of Ubad. Ubad, Ubad. Ubad in Pali, or now in English called medicine. So Ubad is make you healthy, make you fresh. Yeah. Then we're going up from the lake, close to the lake, to Kintamani volcano, and now we are in Ubud. So this is our trip today. Yeah. Yeah, good.
It's such a good car for this, like so comfortable.
Hey, I'm a passenger now, and he's my driver.
How am I doing?
You're my tour guide. So today we have a tour with a couple of our friend from Australia, and I let him to drive by himself because I know from the way he talk, the way he act, the way he come into the car, I know he's able to drive, and he knows about the Volkswagen, because Volkswagen, especially the classic car Volkswagen like this, the owner will not give you to drive each people except they know the person know how to drive it. He does. It's good. Great job, son.
That was fantastic. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
I really love that.
Have a nice day on your birthday. Okay, I suggest you, if you come to Bali and visit Ubud, you find me, and then let's do rock and roll and cruising around the island with VW car, classic one. Cheese.
Thanks, man. That's it. That's a wrap. Thank you.
Good or not?
That's perfect.
That's good.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Tuh, vlogger ngay kan ngay vlog. Nah, ang boleh blend profile. Ya,
Do you-
anything else?